me.
Benny?
Shh! Listen. We need to take care of something. Fast and quick. There's a reporter, a horse. Yeah, a horse that rode a load of hay that he wants to feed the papers. So now he needs to be taken to a farm in Wyoming. You'll find him in the industrial district.
Is there a reason you're talking like this?
Hey, it's not your job to ask questions. It's your job to take horses to Wyoming.
Because you put her entire college tuition on
Totally my fault.
before on the night of her high school graduation, which you missed. Terrible credit, broken legs, and foreclosure can't stop you from chasing the dream. So let it ride, degenerate gambler guy. Let it ride. Reach for greatness, America. Reach for broken rock.
Pay for my broken rock.
Can I help you with something?
I'm here on behalf of Frank Valiano.
Is this about the racketeering thing I'm writing? Because I don't. I can burn that up if he. Ah!
Go!
Is the horse in the pasture?
I don't know where horses go when they're taken to Wyoming.
If they're good, they go to the pasture.
Well, then for his sake, I hope he was a good horse.